Nobody's promised to live through the day. If they die in the state they're in, they went to hell. Preachers standing in the pulpits all the time, preaching over caskets, people being funeralized that are in hell. They put them in heaven. They're in a better place than we are. The guy's in hell. The woman's in hell. She wasn't born again. She wasn't saved. You know how many people we warned about sororities and fraternities and Eastern Stars and the Masons? They refuse to turn loose of it. And the Legion sworn to hell if they go there. Because they won't leave some dumb, stupid organization where they pledge allegiance to Satan. And they refuse to break covenant with him. They were told. Jesus will tell them, you were told to let your yea be yea and your nay be nay. Whatever is more than this is evil, the man said. And you swore your soul to bow down to the Greek gods in those organizations, making them your God, and you denied Christ when you did it. Care about fraternal organizations. I don't care about your stinking sisterhood. You have bowed down to the gods of Sheol, the gods of Hades, the gods of hell. You've cut a covenant with death, the Bible says. Anything the devil lords over, the whole world lies in the wicked one. When you join it and you get some initiation performed over you, you cut a covenant with death and hell. Period. And you got to wonder, what makes you hold on to it so strongly? Why can't you leave it? What's the big deal? It's got you. That demon God has got your mind. And you'll wake up in hell cursing God because you put yourself there. Can't you see in Revelation when they know it's God, they still cursing? That's the reprobate minds. They'll know the veil has been lifted. That's God doing this to me, and still cursing. Don't think the revelation of God on earth will change people's character. It won't. Jesus will come sit in this seat, and they hate Jesus by the Spirit. They'll hate him sitting here because they're in covenant with the devil in hell. They don't like a righteous Jesus. They hate him. That's why God don't have to come and reveal himself in human form. Their very natures hate what God stands for. The church itself is a reflection of the righteousness of God. They know innately everybody ain't evil. But they try to paint with a broad brush saying, well, church people, you a church people lie. Because you know everybody ain't living like what you describe. But you use that as an excuse to hide your own maliciousness. You ain't going to fool God with that trumped up trash you talking. You fornicate because you like it. Nobody driving you to do nothing.